They're on the way. Harris an open look. Off the mark, tip in from Claxton. Crossover from Harden, off window, no. Claxton another offensive board. Millsap for three. Yes.
Both defenses here.
And Cat with an answer of his own. They are red hot in the opening. Another offensive board nearly corralled by Claxton, but Minnesota comes away with it. Up top, McDaniels off the feed from Beverly.
Whether that's just how you understand where your body's at, the conditioning, the fast pace that we're seeing out of both teams.
Can't give him that. Kevin Durant. Harris, wide open look. Cans it. 17-10 Nets. Now it's Durant and McDaniels. Fade away from the elbow. Come on now.
Something that Timberwolves dealt with was a lot of injury.
Turnover starting to add up for Brooklyn now. Edwards off balance, puts it through. How about the strength of Anthony Edwards?
A couple things we've seen out of the gates is the attack-mindedness of Brooklyn.
Bembry with the steal. And the finish!
Of course, who's not playing here tonight, former Brooklyn Net.
Lob to Claxton!
You gotta make sure you're getting down to the other end.
I gotta get back on D. Harden. Look for another lob, this time to Bembry, who puts it through.
Claxton had a look on his face like, wait a second, man. I thought that was coming to me.
And we've seen him work with Kyle Korver, who just joined the staff this offseason. Edwards, again, incredible.
38% three-point shooter and shot the ball really well in his time with Phoenix. It's going to be an aspect.
James Harden, step-back game working beautifully. Harden with 6 points and 5 assists in this first half. Kevin Durant, target practice. 36 Nets again, a 16-0 run. They have been on fire in this quarter. Harris in the corner, yes indeed. Where he doesn't get to shoot his touch there. Torian Prince driving and lays that one in.
Wait, did you say last season or 5 years ago?
Doesn't it feel like an eternity? Millsap's pass stolen. Edwards nearly has it stripped away. And Beverly lays it in.
We know Kevin Durant, how his passion for the game exceeds everything. And that's what it's about to him.
Marcus Aldridge with the turnaround. Between the legs. Floater to Claxton.
Harden makes it look so easy.
Durant has it knocked away. Anthony Edwards, this is where he's dangerous. Just lays it in. Condensed 72-game schedule to play every single game, not take a night off. Harris for three. He is sizzling in this preseason. It's the aggressiveness Steve Nash wants to see. Edwards lining up from deep and cashes another one. Anthony Edwards having himself almost lost the handle. Towns in the lane, puts that one through.
Maybe it added him to have to move to catch the bobbler to get that shot off. That's what the preseason is all about.
KD right in McDaniels' grill. KD behind the back. Over to Millsap. Knocks down the J.
Finishing off a highlight play. Way to go, Patty.
Towns once again bulldozing through. That could have been an offensive foul as well. Instead, Towns gets the call this time.
I mentioned before, 11-11 to finish the season for Minnesota, and they dealt with a lot of injuries, especially two key players on their team.
Sloppiness down the floor, but it ends with a pretty three-pointer from Torian Prince. Prince got the shot going in this game so far. KD driving and finishing! The hammer from KD!
For Kevin Durant, you could tell, and this is a Minnesota defense.
Joe Harris.
Do what you can to get your conditioning right, timing.
Oh, nice feed! LA with the flush off the pass from Bembry. Three, though, he's shown improvement. in his first couple of years in the NBA. Solid on the defensive side of the ball, but caught slipping as Claxton throws it down with two hands.
And it's because the attention is on Harden.
That lob connection didn't work that time. That's up 11 as Edwards throws it down.
Teammates being able to just catch it in stride and finish off the play so easily.
Oh, ball fake from Harris.
So much. We've seen a lot of great activity on the offensive glass, but so much has been that drive and kick game.
Layman. It's Bembry, Aldridge, Brown, and there's a steal by Reed. And step through and lays it in. 7-point ball game with 5:12 to go in regulation. Merrill gives it up. It's Noel control. Beasley, quick trigger, knocks it through. Javon Carter into Aldridge. Aldridge working on Reed. A lot of contact. Right hand, yes.
They're trying to send a second at Aldridge.
Beasley making plays on both ends of the floor here in this fourth quarter. Noel, turn around. Yes. Quite a past few months. Now 20 years old. As Layman gets the deuce. Trying to work on Bembry now. Now Beasley has it, fires. Off the mark, rebound Cam Thomas. And finally a foul. Beasley, that one rolls out. And the preseason is over. Bring on the regular season.